What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And guess what? Today is the day they finally opened one of the Coparts here in California, and we're gonna go out there and see what they have. We're gonna finally walk the yard. It's been a long time coming, so let's get to it, guys. Let's go right now.
Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing. I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we...
Alright guys, look at this beautiful 4x4. What is this? 250 Duramax. 130,000 miles for a Duramax. That ain't nothing. It's just barely breaking in. It does have one of them diesel pumps on the back. It's got a toolbox and a decent space on the bed. Let's see if it starts. Oh yeah, like nothing, baby. It's a beautiful truck. Got a few dings and dents, but that gives it a little character. Look, nice oil pressure. 3/4 of a tank full. AC is running cold right away. What do you think here? Yes. Reverse. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is a nice truck. I like this for myself. SoCal Earthworks. So the fender, the hood, the bed, damage here, and on the toolbox. Huge exhaust pipe. No damage on this side at all. More damage here, but that's easy to repair. Let's see if we can open the hood. What is going on with me today? I can't even open the hood. Hold on, guys. Oh yeah, look at the beast. A little bit of a leak right there, but nothing major. Check out the oil. Transmission oil is pink, nice and pink on the transmission oil. Let's look over here on the engine oil. See this? It's good. It's nice and clean. I'm telling you, these companies, they always maintain their trucks. Commercial companies always maintain the trucks. I don't know what this is though. What the hell is that? But anyways, overall, I give this one a good solid 9 out of 10. Beautiful truck. Let's look at the bottom suspension. I don't see any damage, any leaks, nothing. Beautiful truck. Let's see how much it cost. Ah, it's got no thing on it. It's got no scan. I'll just take a picture of it. I can't remember what the hell that is. There you go. Alright guys, what do you think? Leave it in the comments. Yay or no? I think yes. Solid yes. 4x4. Check out this Mercedes. Only 31,000 miles, huh? 2005 with 31,000 miles. Can this really be? It's got a air suspension, E320. This is not a good sign. It's never a good sign. Nice car. Ooh, leather's hot. Nice. I don't see any damage. Maybe it's a blown engine or something. Let's open the hood. Where's the hood? Where's the hood release? Right here. And here's the key. Awesome. Where the heck is the hood latch for this thing? Where the hell is this? Hold on guys, I gotta figure this out. I figured it out. Alright, what's the, let's see, what's the oil thingy? Oil dipstick thingy. This right here. Ah! Well, the oil is dark. What else can we check? There's nothing else we can check except water. It's got some water in there. I don't see any milk from a blown head gasket or something like that. Let's see if it starts. This thing is low. Okay. I think the battery is too low. That will not allow anything to happen. Or maybe this isn't even the key. It's a nice car. Let me put the battery and see what happens. Well guys, the battery is dead. I can't open the trunk. The battery's on the trunk. So I can't even put the booster to jump it. So nice looking car, but let's just keep moving on. Alright guys, so that's gonna be for today's episode. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, because it's really hot out here, so help me out. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. God bless.
Go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy,